Welcome to the fourth video in the TechSpecs series. In this video we're going to take a look at the TechSpecs Domestic Wind Region Calculator. This is a program that will help you very quickly and very accurately determine your wind category anywhere in Australia. As with all of the TechSpecs programs, the first thing we need to do is select our geographic region. Once again, we have the same pop-up window that you've seen right through all of the programs. Once you've determined your geographic region, simply select the appropriate region from the drop-down box and you'll then be given a brief description of the area that you've chosen. From there we need to determine our terrain category. In this instance we have two little pop-up windows to help you with this determination. The first one is just a written description of each of the terrain categories, and when you move to the drop-down box to select that category, you'll see another little pop-up window to give you a bit more of a visual display of those categories. From there, select the appropriate category, and once again you'll be given a brief description in the next cell as to which terrain category you've chosen. From there, we choose a shielding classification. Once again, we have one pop-up window that will give you a written explanation of each of the classifications, and once again, when we move to the little drop-down box, you'll see a more visual display there of the different classifications. Once again, select the appropriate classification and you're given a basic description of that particular selection. From there, we simply need to determine the average slope of our site. Simply choose the appropriate slope from the drop-down box, and then the location on that slope of our building site, whether it's on the lower third, the middle third or the upper third of that slope. We'll just select the middle third for the sake of this demonstration, and you'll see there, once again, once you've made those two selections, we're given a basic description of our topographic factor, which is dependent on both of these selections. From there you'll see it's given our wind category of N3. Once again, as with all the other programs, we need a customer's name, address, suburb and a state. From there we need a drawing number to tie this certificate into our paperwork we're sending to our certifier or to council, and the current date. You'll see there we now have wind region correct. As with the other programs, we simply print that page and you'll see it's given us all the details at the bottom that it's given us with all the other programs, and we have a certificate that can be attached to our paperwork for our certifier or our council, and they can clearly see the process that we've used to determine the wind category for our particular job. Once again, as with the other programs, if you happen to save the program with all this data in here rather than just a clean page, there's a reset button to zero the whole page back out for you, so that the next time you open it up it's ready to go. That's a brief description of the Domestic Wind Region Calculator. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.